The Hare and the Tortoise.
Cute boy, cute tortoise.
Once upon a time, there was a beautiful forest. Many animals used to live in that forest. Tortoise and the rabbit also lived there.
Wow, that is a big forest.
One day, they had an argument about who was faster.
Rabbit and tortoise fighting? Why?
They decided to go on a race to find who is better.
Wow, race, race, race.
The race was starting. The other animals gathered around to watch the race. "Ready!" said the squirrel. Said the mouse. "Go!" said the raccoon.
I love it. All the animal friends are here. Ready, set, go.
As everyone knew, the rabbit ran very fast and the tortoise walked slowly.
Rabbit is running. Turtle walking slowly. Rabbit is running. Turtle walking slowly. Turtle walking slowly.
After some time, the rabbit looked back, and the tortoise was far behind. The rabbit decided to take a rest for some time and run again.
Rabbit is resting.
The rabbit slept. The tortoise walked slowly and crossed the rabbit.
Turtle across the bunny. lost the bunny.
The rabbit woke up. Suddenly, he saw the turtle was near the winning post. The rabbit started running.
Come on, Bunny, don't be lazy. Just run. Rabbit is running. Tortoise is winning.
But Tortoise already won the race.
Wow, amazing. Wow, amazing. Hey, Tortoise won. Tortoise won. Aw, rabbit lost.
Moral of the story: slow and steady wins the race.
Slow and steady wins the race.
The